You know, most people don't realize just how heroic seafarers really are. I mean, think about it. Every day, these men and women face the wildest parts of the ocean. Storms that would terrify even the bravest souls. Endless waves, roaring wind, and unpredictable dangers. Yet they keep going. Why? Because the world depends on them. Every single thing we own, our phones, our food, our clothes, most of it has traveled across the sea thanks to seafarers. But their heroism isn't just about braving storms. It's about keeping everyone safe. On board, safety isn't just a rule, it's a way of life. Every seafarer looks out for their shipmates, their vessel, and the environment. One wrong move, and it could mean disaster. That kind of responsibility, that's real courage. What really amazes me is the teamwork. Imagine people from all around the world, different cultures and languages, living and working together for months at a time. Somehow, they become a family. They learn to trust each other, eat together, support one another, because out there, teamwork is survival. And let's not forget the sacrifices. Missing birthdays, anniversaries, even the birth of a child, just to keep the world moving. That's a kind of selflessness most of us will never understand. So, the next time you open a package or enjoy your morning coffee, remember, it was a seafarer who made it possible. They don't wear capes or make headlines, but to me, they'll always be the heroes of the sea. Candina Group, honoring the world's seafarers.